Okay, homie. You all awake now? You ready to get up and join the world of the living? Okay. I'm gonna open you up here. Now you can climb around like a climby-limey. Wanna climb over here on your bird stick? Oh, you're gonna play backstroke. Ready? Backstroke. Wee, 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 wee. Backstroke. Wee, wee, wee. What a good... You are a good bird. Okay, dude. Let's go get our yummy stuff, okay? Ugh. That's a good bird. Wee, 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 wee. Good bird. Ready? Here we go. Up the stairs like a baby bird. Up the stairs like a baby bird. Wee, 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 wee. Oh, wee, 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 wee. Good bird. Oh, wee, 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 wee. Here you go. That's a good baby bird. Hey, dude. You gonna go on a bird adventure? There you go, bird adventure. Adventure bird, adventure bird. You are such a waking up adventure bird. Hello. Would you like a chuka? Chuka, chuka. Oh, yeah. That's the stuff. Gotta have a morning chuka, huh? Oh, you're so cute. You are so cute and bird-like. All right, dude. I'm gonna go get you your yummy stuff now. You settle in, do whatever it is you do to wake up in the morning, and I'll be right back with your yummy stuff.